singer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to tell you a story of the little drop. So let's start. Once upon a time, there was a little drop of water. He lived in a lake. He dreamed of becoming a snowflake so that he could fall around and turn everything white. When summer came and the sun was strong, the little drop turned into wet hair and rose up from the lake. When he reached the sky, he became a part of a small cloud. Then winter came and it was cold everywhere. The little drop looked for a nice bit of land where he could fall and cover it in snow. However, he was just a little drop, so only a little bit of snow fell. When the little drop touched the ground, he melted into water. The little drop was sad. The next year, the same thing happened. Finally, the little drop went up into the sky and joined a big cloud. Many other water drops came together. The cloud became very crowded and the little drop did not like it. He thought of falling down to earth alone. A friendly drop next to him stopped him. "Where are you going? Don't you want to be with us and take part?" He asked. "Take part in what?" asked the little drop. "Oh, we are ready for a snowfall," said the friendly drop. "All of us here love being snow, so we all have gathered here. I too tried doing it alone, but I learned that I can only do it with the help of other drops. I found this nice cloud where we all help each other. Together we have made many wonderful snowfalls." So the little drop flew down through the sky as a snowflake, together with hundreds of other snowflakes. When they fell, they covered the land and the trees and the houses. Everything turned white. The little drop was happy now. Thank you.